lam, ha, tanween, and the next harf is fa, and their hukum is Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is a live recitation practical video of the ayat number of Surah Al-Yasin, inshallah. If you are watching my video for first time, I am a certified Holy Quran recitation trainer and I do personal training, making videos about the recitation science of the Quran, inshallah.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
إنا جعلنا في أعناقهم أغلالا فهي إلى الأذقان فهم مقمحون. Okay, and here we have to care about the makharaj. Okay, every time and every ayah we have to care about the makharaj and sifats. Okay, and the gunna of the nun shad. Inna ja'alna fi a'naqihim, the maddul munfasil of the harf fi and the makharaj of ayn, nun, qaf. Okay, fi a'naqihim aghlalan fahiya ila al-adhqan. The ghain's makharaj. Okay, and aghlalan fa, the lam, ha, tanween, and the next harf is fa, and their hukum is ikhfa. Okay, and we have to unclear the tanween and give the gunna. Aghlalan fahiya, not like aghlalan fahiya. Okay, the right way is aghlalan fahiya ila al-adhqani fahum muqmahun. Okay, the makharaj of dhal and qaf and the mim with shad, we have to give the gunna. Adhqani fahum muqmahun. The harf ha and the noon, we have to give that gunnatul asli at the end of the noon. Inna ja'alna fi a'naqihim aghlalan fahiya ila al-adhqan fahum muqmahun. Okay, I hope you understand and learned it very easily, and if you doesn't understand anything, try to watch one more time. Okay, if you have any doubts, comment below, I will try to reply, and watch the series one by one orderly so you can easily cover every ayat in order. Okay, inshallah, and dua for me, support me in this channel, in this journey, inshallah. Taqabbalallahu minna wa minkum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.